Hello! I'll be showing you how to make Tosaka's fried rice from today's menu for the Emiya family manga by Tao, which is based on the Fate series. The recipe will make 4 servings. You'll need 800 grams of cooked rice which you had cooked the night before and had refrigerated. 800 grams of cooked rice is about 285 grams of uncooked rice. The other ingredients are 4 eggs, 100 grams of chashu, which is braised pork belly that you normally see in Japanese ramen, half a kamaboko, which is a steamed Japanese fish cake, 2/3 tablespoons of soy sauce, half a carrot, 1 green pepper, 3 green onions, 1 tablespoon of cooking sake, pinch of salt and black pepper, and 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. You can find links to buy the ingredients to make the fried rice in the description. First, cut the core out of the green pepper to remove most of the seeds inside the pepper. After the pepper is cut in half, you can shake out or pick out the remaining seeds. Chop the whole green pepper into rice-sized pieces. Honestly, even though the manga suggests chopping it into rice-sized pieces, it's actually a little difficult to get it that small. As long as you chop it into tiny pieces which are roughly even in size, it's okay. Put the chopped pieces into a bowl, let's call bowl A, to cook later. Chop the kamaboko into rice-sized pieces. Again, tiny and even pieces are okay if you can't cut them into rice-sized pieces. Put the chopped pieces into bowl A to cook later. Chop the chashu into rice-sized pieces. Put the chopped pieces into bowl A to cook later. Chop the green onions into rice-sized pieces. Put the chopped pieces into another bowl, let's call bowl B, to cook later. Chop the carrots into rice-sized pieces. Put the chopped pieces into another bowl, let's call bowl C, to cook later. Add about half a tablespoon of cooking oil in a large pan. Turn the stovetop on to medium heat and put the pan on top. Add the carrots from bowl C to the pan. Saute the carrots until they're half cooked, which is when they're slightly translucent. Add the ingredients from bowl A into the pan. Stir and cook the contents of the pan for a few minutes. Add 1 pinch of salt and pepper to the pan. Stir everything in the pan. Turn off the heat. Put the pan's contents back into bowl A for later use. Wipe the pan with a paper towel. Crack the eggs into a bowl and mix well. Add the remaining cooking oil into the pan. Turn the stovetop on to medium-high heat. Test if the pan is hot enough by dripping a bit of the egg mix into the pan, and if it sizzles, then the pan should be ready to cook the eggs. When the pan is hot, add the eggs into the pan. Scramble the eggs into half-cooked small pieces. While the egg's cooking, heat up the rice in a microwave to make it hot. Add the hot rice into the pan with the eggs. If you liked what you've seen so far, please click the like and subscribe button. Thank you! Stir the contents of the pan by slicing into it. Flip the eggs on top of the rice, then keep slicing. Add the cooked ingredients from bowl A into the pan. Stir the contents by slicing into it again and flipping over the edges. While stirring, shake the pan over the heat. This helps keep the rice nice and dry. Add the green onions from bowl C into the pan. Add 1 pinch of salt and pepper. Add the cooking sake. Stir everything together. Add the soy sauce to the edges of the pan. Stir the pan with slices while shaking the pan for a couple minutes. If you can lift the pan, you can try to toss the fried rice like Rin does. Lift the pan up, then do a push forward and up motion, followed quickly by a pull back and down motion, which you will repeat. Turn off the stove when you're done cooking. The secret to the classic half sphere shaped fried rice is simple: shaping the fried rice in a bowl. Put the fried rice into a bowl, then pack it in to form the half sphere. Put the serving plate or bowl on top of the fried rice bowl. Flip the two together, and when you remove the bowl the fried rice is in, you should get a classic half sphere fried rice. Okay, I was so close. I'll just push the green pepper back into place. You're now finished making Tosaka's fried rice. Let's see how it tastes. Are you ready? Itadakimasu. Tasty. Rice is soft and fluffy. Chashu adds a nice hit of salt and mouthfeel for texture. Kamaboko is soft yet chewy. Bell pepper gives a refreshing taste when you bite into it, along with the crispness for the mouthfeel, and the eggs are also soft and fluffy. The rice doesn't stick together but is nice and dry as a result of using overnight rice, adding it to the pan while it's still hot, and using a higher heat when cooking everything together. While I feel the seasoning is a little underwhelming, it could be a perfect balance for someone else. I'd rather it need more seasoning than being over seasoned, so I can adjust it to my taste and not being ruined with too much salt. You can add more seasoning with more salt or soy sauce, sesame seed oil, toasted white sesame seeds, chicken bouillon powder, or all the above. When you add more seasoning than the recipe calls for, you do it a little at a time and taste to make sure it doesn't become over seasoned and dominates the flavor of the fried rice. Hope you will enjoy making Tosaka's fried rice and eating it too. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Every new subscriber makes us happy to see and encourages us to make more videos like this for you to enjoy. Thank you! Support the mangaka by buying the manga when it's translated locally as a physical or ebook, which I will link to in the description. You can also buy the manga in Japanese. Don't forget to follow the mangaka too on Twitter for more Today's Menu for the Emiya family content. You can also follow the Today's Menu for the Emiya family Twitter account. Until next time, see ya!